Today we are talking about Hebes. Hebes are pretty evergreen shrubs that are found in a wide range of colours, shapes and sizes. Generally speaking, they are a neat and compact bushy plant that produces flowers in summer and autumn. They are liked because of their attractive foliage, which can come in many colours and variegated forms. The variety we are talking about today is a variegated Hebe. Its name is called Hebe franciscana variegata. It is also known as Hebe silver queen, variegated veronica, or a shrubby veronica. But to keep things simple, it's a variegated Hebe with purple flowers. It is a mid-sized evergreen shrub that is hardy with variegated leaves that are green and creamy yellow colour, with purple flowers that come out in summer and can last late into autumn. They are ideal for shrub borders or can be planted individually in large containers or en masse to form an attractive informal low hedge. I saw these plants in other gardens but did not know what they were. After a bit of research online and visiting garden centres, I discovered that they were called Hebes and there were many different types. I wanted this purple flowering Hebe but could not find one at the garden centre with this green and yellow foliage. Just by chance I came across one of these while shopping on a small market stall and got it. I bought this plant over a year ago and it was already well established. It settled in well and produced flowers in the first summer and lasted for an extended period. They are very beautiful purple flowers and contrast well with the variegated foliage. It is estimated that it will reach 1.2 metres by 1.5 metres in height and width, and it states that it will take 10 years to reach this. This plant currently measures 50 centimetres in height by 60 centimetres in width, so it has still got some room to grow. I cannot imagine it growing to its estimated size, but I will prune it if need be to keep it controlled in this current location. Anyway, Hebes are easy to grow and like full sun or partial shade, and grows well in moist but well-drained soils with an alkaline or neutral pH, but needs protecting in exposed gardens and in severe winters, so choose your location carefully. Hebes are relatively easy to take care of and require very little attention. In fact, I have not had to do anything other than keep it watered and some deadheading after flowering to keep it tidy. In terms of pruning, I have just removed unsightly shoots to keep everything neat. Hebes are late flowering evergreen shrubs and should be lightly pruned in mid to late spring. Hebes bloom in summer and in late autumn on the previous and current year's growth. In addition, mulch with organic matter in spring and add a general fertiliser. It has a hardiness rating of H3, meaning that it is hardy in coastal and relatively mild parts of the UK, handling minimum temperature ranges of -5 to 1 degrees C. Hebes are relatively hardy and require very little maintenance, so if you want an evergreen shrub that has a colourful foliage all year round and produces beautiful purple flowers over the summer months, then consider getting a Hebe like this.